The secret to having a stylish and modern kitchen is easier than you think. And it's not about how much money you spend. Today I'm sharing 10 simple designer tricks that will help your kitchen look luxurious and high-end and expensive while not spending too much money or while not spending any money at all. Implement at least a few of these tricks and you'll get closer to having that kitchen of your dreams. Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mon and today we are going through the 10 simple tricks you can do today to make your kitchen look stylish. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. It really helps my small channel a lot. Now these tricks I have for you today are so simple, yet they make a big impact when it comes to styling your kitchen and making it look pretty in general. Anyone can do these tricks without spending even one penny. So let's dive into them right now. Getting your small appliances off the counter makes the biggest difference when it comes to making your kitchen more aesthetically pleasing and more organized overall. And I know there are some things you just use every day and you got to have on your countertop. For me, that's the coffee maker. I'm not moving it anywhere. However, things like your toaster or a mixer are honestly appliances you probably are not using on a daily basis. So instead of leaving them on the counter, find a place for them in your kitchen cabinets or in your pantry where they will be easily accessible and you can reach for them whenever you need them. Just by taking off a few of the appliances off the counter, you will instantly see a huge difference in your kitchen. Getting the food out of its package and pouring it into a food container makes the biggest difference when it comes to both having an organized kitchen and making your kitchen look more stylish. Before, I always had packages and packages of lentils, oats, beans and peas, and they make piles on the shelves. Everything was cramped all the time and I just couldn't seem to find anything. Just by moving all of my dried foods in some food containers, I was able to organize them and make them look so aesthetically pleasing. And the best thing is that you don't even have to spend too much money on fancy food containers. You can find budget-friendly ones at IKEA or on Amazon, or you can even collect some jars from sauces and condiments and just reuse them to store your dried foods. Mine were so budget-friendly, I got them on Amazon, yet they look so cute, I even just laid them out on my kitchen shelvings. When it comes to making your kitchen pretty and stylish, there are some things that can definitely get in the way. One of those things is the dish soap bottle. We obviously need the dish soap out on the counter. However, these plastic bottles usually look too chunky and just ugly in general. So to make our kitchen more stylish and elevated, simply swap the dish soap bottle with some soap dispenser. Amber glass dispensers are so trendy right now and they really look so good. So just order one from Amazon and just pour your dish soap and maybe style it with some cute sponge holder. If you want to go to the next level, you can also add an integrated dish soap dispenser. I have one right there. You'd be surprised how budget-friendly integrated dish soap dispensers actually are. I got mine from IKEA and it looks so good and clean and definitely makes my kitchen look more expensive and more stylish in general. Artwork is a great way to elevate any room, so why not use it in the kitchen too? Especially if you have open shelvings in your kitchen or you have an empty wall. Just by adding some art, even a small one, you will make your kitchen look more elevated and more thought out. And the best thing when it comes to art is that you don't really have to spend too much money. You can just download free prints and just print them out and frame them yourself, or you can even paint something yourself. For example, in my kitchen I've made a few sketches of chairs using only paper and a black marker, and they really look so minimal and aesthetic. You can even go bold and add some art piece. However, I would get away from word signs such as this. In my personal opinion, they are a bit cheesy and can even make your kitchen look dated and not thought of. But that's only my opinion, of course. If you like a good old word sign, just go for it. I know that kitchen shelves are meant to store things, but if not used right, shelves can make a kitchen look messy. So, if you happen to have open shelvings, try displaying things you need, but just try to make them look cute and cohesive. Maybe display your jarred foods from the pantry or labeled spices, or maybe even get your favorite mugs and wine glasses on there, your fancy plates and bowls. In general, my rule for shelvings is display things you don't really use every day, but you just like how they look on your shelves. When styling a home, sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. That's why just by getting fun and stylish kitchen towel will instantly make your kitchen look more elevated. You can even use your kitchen towels to add some pop of color or to just incorporate a fun texture or pattern in your kitchen space. In general, drying racks look bulky, they take too much space, and it's honestly hard to find ones that look really pretty and cute. So instead of using a drying rack, start using a drying mat. The best thing about drying mats is that they take less space, they look sleek, and they can be taken away as needed. You can get some that are made from silicone or just regular fabric ones. Either way, your kitchen will immediately start looking less crowded and more elevated and styled. I know that this may be controversial to some of you. However, simply by adding a rug or a runner in your kitchen, you will add softness and warmth to the space. You see, kitchens tend to have a lot of hard surfaces, cabinetry, counters and appliances, and they can really aesthetically benefit from the softness of rugs. Simply by adding some texture and some pattern to your kitchen floors, you will add personality and warmth to your kitchen even without introducing colors. I would probably go for a jute rug or something more durable, but of course you can add a vintage one or a thrifted one with pops of color or maybe some pop of texture. Anything goes as long as you approach it the right way and as long as you're okay with staying on top of stains and spills and splatters. The most effective way of keeping clutter off your kitchen countertops, especially when it comes to your kitchen island, is using trays and baskets. Use baskets to corral miscellaneous items that would otherwise clutter up your counters. Baskets will make your kitchen more beautiful. They will add texture and warmth, and of course some extra storage for things you don't want just laid out for everyone to see. Also, trays are a great way to make things look more organized and styled. So if you have oils and vinegars out on the counter, just try gathering them in a tray. They will look much more stylish and much more thought of that way. And last but not least is lighting. And when it comes to kitchens, one of those things that can honestly make the biggest impact is under cabinet lighting. Under cabinet lighting is honestly one of those things that can make your kitchen from looking budget to high-end in just one click. It just gives warmth and sophistication to the space, and while it looks expensive, it's honestly not a splurge at all. You can just get an LED strip and tape it to your cabinet. There are also affordable options at IKEA. I will make sure to link all of them down below. And the best thing is that besides looking good, under cabinet lighting is super practical and honestly makes a huge difference when it comes to everyday use. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked my designer tricks to make your kitchen look stylish and elevated. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Mars and I would be so grateful. Right, Mars? Also, make sure to let me know which one was your favorite trick by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Till next time, designers, bye!